of our ceremony, the Pledge of Loyalty, where it is more than just a spoken promise. It is a declaration of commitment and a reflection of values and solemn vow to carry. To lead the Pledge of Loyalty for our Kindergarten 2 completers, please welcome Miss Chrissy T. Walker with high honors.
Please stand up and raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the completers of Camotes Hillside Academy Incorporated, school year 2025 to 2026, with grateful hearts, pledge our loyalty to our beloved alma mater. We commit to uphold the values of excellence, service, and integrity, using the knowledge and wisdom we have gained to serve our community and pursue greater learning. As we move forward, we promise to honor the legacy of our school remain responsible and compassionate individuals and always carry the spirit of Camotes Hillside Academy Incorporated wherever we go. So help us God. Thank you.
Kindergarten, you may now be seated. And to lead the Pledge of Loyalty on behalf of the Grade 10 completers, may May I respectfully call on Ms. Crystal Jane P. Lucernas with high honors.